Our customers have achieved at least 10% increase in production speed in all of our missions and a return on investment of 8 to 15 times the initial amount. Hi everyone, welcome to Unit8 Impacts, 1-minute short videos in which we showcase amazing projects we've been working on over the past years. Today, we are going to talk about production line optimization. Manufacturing and production companies are always on the lookout for the factors which drive the overall equipment efficiency down. Slow stops, unplanned stops, slow cycles, rejected goods, and more. When the traditional optimization techniques are failing, companies often turn to data-driven production line optimization, which uses data science and advanced analytics to drive the production up. Unit8 has a history of assisting manufacturing companies in uncovering the hidden data correlations which lead to overall equipment efficiency increases. In the work for our customers, we apply advanced analytics to perform data-driven product line optimization. We helped our clients achieve the promises of Industry 4.0 by monitoring the factory in real time with sensors and using the collected data for recommendations and anomaly detection. Oftentimes, the general path for production line issues is the following: data collection, data correlations, insights, and finally, recommendations. Our customers have achieved at least 10% increase in production speed in all of our missions and a return on investment of 8 to 15 times the initial amount. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next Unit8 Impacts.